Mother's Day present this year was wrapped like this, which was so funny because my husband's plan was to have the kids draw on it, and then because of the packaging the way it was, he wasn't able to have them draw on it, so he thought, quick, he put a shirt over it. So it's a Hamilton Beach air fryer, and
deep fryer.
A deep fryer, even better, actually, yes. That doesn't seem right. I'm gonna look at the instructions. Okay, first let's do this.
You always need the instructions.
They're in there somewhere. I'll make sure I have.
Why don't you forget?
Well, you know, that's not my first impulse. Okay. And this is the heating element inside of it.
There it is.
And it looks like you can take this whole thing out to clean it. So let's see, does this separate?
Yes,
so this
it
separates out. I don't know quite how you'd clean that, but I'm sure you can. And then this thing comes out. My husband said this is the highest rated and the smallest / highest rated. So like the one that fit those two of us. Okay, so yeah, so it's like no bigger than a toaster. It's a great size. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, sure.
And it can fit like enough. If I cut a chicken in half, I could fit it in here. This
It's too Christmas.
Yeah, that's fine. What do I do with the instructions?
It's too Christmas.
Wearing shoes in the house.
What's that?
Breaking the law.
Breaking the law, breaking the law. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
They do.
To assemble the handle, squeeze. Yeah, I did that. Okay. Well, it was inside of it, like.
All go.
There's a little thing
And
that
then
says
he
block
got
here.
it
I'm gonna have to
when
do a sound over of this. Be quiet. It's not helpful. You're gonna lose your job as cameraman.
No!
It's easy helpful. So I guess this is.
This is the cheesiest bubble I've ever created.
Happy Mother's Day. I'm gonna go.
Thank
You're
you.
good.
The lid. It has the handle, which is I think I'm trying to figure out how to use. Frying basket, which is this. Are you filming where I am right here?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll try to find the instructions.
I don't. It's okay. I mean, there they are. Element. So that. Removable oil pot. This is the removable oil pot number 7.
And now
This is the thermostat. This is the power, and this is the ready. Okay, so
ready for French fries.
there's a little reset button inside.
Let me try to find
Oh, right in there. So inside that little, see that white tag there? So you have to use like a paper clip. So in case you ever need to use the reset button. There it is. That's great. Boom. Okay. No, I'm gonna show. Okay, so I'll come over here. So there's this. You're supposed to squeeze this into these little holes there. Can you show those little
Yes, you see?
things in
There's
there?
knobs.
So you go like that. And
you
then what I don't get is how does this happen? Like it says lock here and it's got this thing here. I don't know if I'm supposed to just force it.
force.
I guess so. Yeah, you just force it into place. I guess that's supposed to be the obvious part. And probably somebody stronger than me would have done that really easily. It wouldn't have seemed.
Yeah, but you're
Okay,
strong.
where's the? Oh, thank you. Okay, so then this goes right directly on top of that. And then this goes here. And let's. Should we see about counter space? Oh yeah, look, and that. You never know.
And then
you never have to worry about which way.
And then
One side
voila.
smaller and bigger.
It's voila. It's voila. It's
Voila.
voila. It's a power.
Oh, and look, the president says up on it. It's very
Up, 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 up. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's actually attached. It seems to have like a magnet thingy, so it feels like it doesn't like.
Magnet tiles.
flowers
Yes.
the flower that you gave me and the flower
I
Lillian gave
picked
me?
it, and yesterday it was closed, and it was a pansy, so it closed, and then this day it opened.
And then how about this stuff? We're gonna plant today. They got
We're gonna plant them, and this one's mine. The forget-me-nots.
Are these golden?
Everybody.
These morning glories?
Wait.
I think this will totally work. I just have to use the mixture.
Yep, morning glories,
Pretty nice.
and then weirdos,
Okay,
and then
Keegan,
another
come
set
here,
of
please.
weirdos.
Come here. Thank you for filming that. So I'm gonna move ahead this gigantic lobster pot in there.
Yeah,
I'm
lobster.
gonna put the lobster pot on the fridge up there where I put some random decorative things.
Nobody can
Plants up
see
there.
it.
And I'm gonna put, well, why don't you show the top of the fridge? And I'm gonna put my kitchen mixture on top of the fridge too as well. I think.
Look, look.
Okay.
These are my old things.
There you go. That's good enough. Okay. Would you have it set to 0.5 so it's easier to just make sure
Yes.
everything's on the Okay, so it'll anyway. Okay, so then here, now you can change it to. Let's see.
On this too. This cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Me,
So
mama.
here it is, and it's really not that big, even with the handle. And I guess I could probably, yeah. So when I'm not using it,
Just take
all I
it
have
out.
to do is take this out,
Which would be
push this
simple.
forward, and then squeeze this, and then put it back in.
That sounds like is that the handle went through,
Put this inside,
and then the handle went through more pain.
and here, and I can even put the cord inside as well, and that doesn't take up space unless I'm actually using it. There.
And bang!
So
Neat!
this way actually.
That's neat!
Yes.
And there's
wait, I'm not-
Gatorade!
I'm not entirely sure, but I think I
There's
can fit that.
Gatorade! And the toaster! And the weapon! And Pop-Tarts! Oh yeah!
I love Pop-Tarts.
That's short enough if I just put it at that angle.
Pop-Tarts.
How about you, Mr. Lobster Pot? Can you go back here?
Yeah!
Look at that. Look at that. It totally fits.
Now
Okay.
it's gonna be nice.
Okay. Finale.
Yeah.